Hello, fourth graders. What's up? We're talking with our health lesson today. I'm Mr. Briggs, your PE teacher. Remember, we're going to do some health lessons till we get all the way back in school and we're ready to go. So, health today. We're talking about the lungs. 2 weeks ago, we did our brain, our mental health. How are we doing at home? How are we doing with school at home? How are we doing not coming back, missing our friends? Some of us just didn't go to school and never went back. And that's Mr. Briggs. I saw you guys on a Wednesday and then that was it. So I'm really excited to be doing all these Zoom drop-ins with you guys to see your class. Keep doing those activities, please. I want to see you guys ready to go when we get back. Last week, we talked about our heart, remember? My heart's right here. Also, that's my cool cougar. I'm a coug. You guys know that. And this week, we're talking about our lungs because remember, our heart and our lungs, they work together. We kind of need both of them. So what are we talking about today? Our lungs. You have two lungs. Fun fact. They surround your heart. So the lung on your left is a bit smaller than the lung on your right because it has to make room for your heart because they work together. Now, something you might not know is you guys all have those ribs right there. What are the ribs for? To hold the body up? Yeah. But they also protect the rib cage around your lungs and heart to protect them from damage. Your ribs also move when you breathe in and out. So let's try this. One hand, put it on your chest. One hand, put it on your belly. I'm going to move this down so you can see my belly. Boom. And now, everyone try it. Put one hand on your chest and hand. Now breathe in deeply. You will feel your chest and tummy get bigger as the air goes into your lungs. Yes, you do. When the diaphragm contracts, pushes some of the organs in your tummy down so that there's more space in your chest. Now, who remembers what the air does? Let's see here. I breathe in. In comes all that, starts with an O. What's it called? Oxygen. All that oxygen goes into your, what are we talking about today? Lung. That's right. Oxygen comes into your lungs. It's in there now. Now what happens? The red blood cells, your blood, pick up that oxygen, pick, goes back into your heart real fast, and then it goes, time to go, and it goes all the way through your body. Remember, the blood goes all over from your hands, arms, fingers, toes, legs, then it comes all the way back up. Then that blood goes back into the heart, and it says to the heart, hey, blood, sorry, man, we're out. We got to do something different. So it goes back into the lungs, gets more oxygen, and then we keep on going. That's the cool thing about our body. You don't even notice it because you're doing this. But that's keeping you alive, and that's a beautiful thing. So what do our lungs look like? Well, they got a fun picture right here. That's just a simple picture. The real, true picture, I don't want to show you guys right now. You don't need to see that. Now, we breathe in, we get oxygen. When we breathe out, we get something called carbon dioxide. That is bad. That is not good for you. If you breathe in too much carbon dioxide and you keep it in your body, you'll just start going to sleep and you probably will not wake up. So we don't want to do that. We want to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. That will keep you alive. So some fun facts about the lungs. Let's see here. A person usually breathes an average of 13 pints of air every minute. What is a pint? A pint is about 16 ounces. And what is that? That's this. This is a bottle of water. This is how much air you're breathing every single minute. Now, lungs aren't the same size. We kind of talked about it because the lungs have to accommodate the heart. The right lung is a little bit larger than the left lung. We can go around the heart and help you out. Fun fact, lungs float on water. I did not know that, but now you do. Here's a fun fact I saw as well. The lungs in a tennis court are the same size. It seems pretty impossible, but if lungs were opened flat, they would be so big they would cover the entire size of a tennis court. You got a tennis court in your body. That's crazy. It really is. And here's another one. Oxygen only plays a small part in breathing. The air we breathe in contains 21% oxygen. That's good. But our bodies only use 5%. That means our bodies are pretty efficient. We're taking a lot more air than we actually need. So then we just exhale the rest of that, and that's called carbon dioxide. That's right. So that's just a quick little activity on our lungs right now. What's next is we have a video on lungs as well. It's a quick 5-6 minute video. It's pretty awesome because it breaks everything down into a lot more simpler terms, and even Mr. Briggs knows how to help you out. When you're done with that video, there's 3 questions for you to answer. It's a simple little quiz. That way I can see how you guys are doing with our lungs. Now, thank you guys for coming. Remember, we had our workout, our warm-up, our workout, and our lungs video this week. Make sure you do the questions on this Google form. Thanks so much for coming. 4th grade. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.